Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to multiply surds. Now to multiply surds, you need to know the rules to my right. So, how would we simplify root 3 multiplied by root 3? Well, what we have here is 3 to the power of a half times 3 to the power of a half. And using this rule over here to my right at the bottom, we get 3 to the power of a half plus a half, which is 3 to the power of 1, which is 3. Therefore, root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. Second problem. How would we simplify minus root 3 multiplied by root 3? Well, firstly, we would put minus 1 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3 over here. So minus root 3 multiplied by root 3 is minus 1 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3. And we know that root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. So our answer here is minus 3. Now, what would we do if we got minus root 3 multiplied by minus root 3? Well, we would put it, or we would make it equal to minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3. Now minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is 1. So we would get 1 multiplied by 3, which is 3, as root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. Now, let's get back to simplifying root 3 multiplied by root 3. Using this formula here to my right, we can simplify root 3 multiplied by root 3. We can simplify it to root 3 multiplied by 3, which is root 9, which is 3. What about minus root 3 multiplied by root 3? Well, this can be minus 1 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3, which is equal to minus 1 times root 3 multiplied by 3, which is minus 1 times root 9, which is minus 3. And let's simplify minus root 3 multiplied by minus root 3. This is like saying minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3, which is 1 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by 3, which is 1 multiplied by root 9, which is 3. So, this is another way to simplify this sort of multiplication that involves surds. Now, if you really want to multiply surds well, you have to memorize these formulas to my right. This is my advice. Thank you for watching this video.